Does the wash sale rule apply across multiple trading accounts with options? Have you ever wondered how the wash sale rule affects your options trading, especially when you have multiple accounts? This is a key question for many traders. The wash sale rule is a tax regulation that prevents investors from claiming a tax loss on a security if they repurchase the same or a similar security within a 61-day window. This window includes 30 days before and 30 days after the sale date. It is important to note that this rule applies not only to stocks but also to options and contracts related to those stocks. Now, when it comes to trading across multiple accounts, the wash sale rule does apply to all accounts that you control. This means if you sell an option at a loss in one account and then buy the same or a similar option in another account within that 61-day period, the loss cannot be claimed for tax purposes. This rule also extends to accounts held by a spouse or other related individuals, as the Internal Revenue Service considers these transactions together. One thing to keep in mind is that brokers typically do not track wash sales that happen across different accounts. This means it is your responsibility to identify and report these wash sales when preparing your tax returns. This can become quite complicated, especially when trading options that are similar to the underlying stock or when the number of contracts bought and sold is not equal. Additionally, wash sales can occur in tax-advantaged accounts like individual retirement accounts. For example, if you sell a security at a loss in a taxable account and then repurchase it in an individual retirement account within the wash sale period, the loss is still disallowed. For traders and investors, this brings some practical implications. It is essential to keep detailed records of all your transactions across all accounts to track potential wash sales. You will also need to adjust the cost basis of any repurchased securities to reflect the disallowed loss. Being cautious about buying back the same or similar options or stocks within that 61-day window across any accounts you control is also wise. Consulting a tax advisor can be beneficial, especially when dealing with multiple accounts and option trades. They can help clarify any complex situations you may face. Overall, the wash sale rule does apply across multiple trading accounts, including those involving options. Monitoring your trades collectively across all accounts is vital to comply with the rule and accurately report your capital gains and losses for tax purposes.